Oppo Find X7 Ultra lens module design still uses the solution of the previous generation Find X6 Pro, which is also the unified of the current imagined flagship in the industry. With a large round shape, but this time the Find X7 Ultra has some more exotic design, like a watch texture is added to the lens module, which looks very outstanding. So there is also the scaled aperture around the lens plus Hasselblad oriented. Hasselblad H logo is also separate this time. It is placed on the right side of the lens module, forming with the 4 lenses on the left. Find X7 Ultra uses 6.82 inches AMOLED hyperblood screen on the front with a resolution of 3168x14405110 1.07 billion color. Sport white color gamut P3 4500 nits peak brightness, 2600 nits peak brightness HDR, 1600 nits special peak brightness. Sport 120 has an adaptive refresh rate, and Sport up to 240 as a touch sibling rate. The screen of Find X7 Ultra is still in the form of hyperboloid. Currently, the screen of flagship phone in the industry are divided into straight screen and hyperboloids. The cameras are the key selling on the Find X7 Ultra, and for a reason, Oppo packed 4 mighty 50 megapixel sensor with a second generation 1H type Sony LYT900 sticker sensor inside the wide camera. It has f1.8 aperture and OIS. The ultra wide angle lens shooter is another new Sony sensor LYT600 with a 1.95 inches size and 40 mm icon focal length. It has a f2.0 aperture and autofocus, so it can shoot object as close as 4 cm. The dual periscope solution is a unique bit. Oppo Find X7 Ultra retains the 65mm 3x periscope camera with a 1.56 inch Sony IMX890 from the Oppo Find X6 Pro. It offers a bright f2.6 aperture OIS and a minimum focus distance of just 25 cm. Alongside that, X7 Ultra has a 125mm 6x telephoto camera with 2.51 inch Sony IMX858 sensor. It also has OIS and can focus. And photo shooting support up to 6x optical. 120 has a digital zoom. The chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 coupled with up to 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB US 4.0 storage. Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery that supports 100W fast charging, 50W wireless fast charging. Price for 1225GB is 5999 yuan. Color options are 3: ocean blue, sapphire brown, and tail and black.